Music Workshop began in 2013 as a calling and turned into a journey. Launched with optimism, commitment, and just 2 courses delivered for free to 10 schools in one small community. 7 years later, we're still on that journey, and along the way we have seen remarkable growth and support. The overwhelming encouragement from teachers and students fueled our optimism and commitment. In just a few years, Music Workshop was emboldened with a deeper sense of purpose and ambition. Our courses grew more sophisticated with higher quality content, easier access, and expansive topics. In 2018, Music Workshop's growth had reached the entire United States and beyond. The ever-growing number of courses were now being taught in 13 countries, reaching over 350,000 students. And in the time since the pandemic, we have seen a surge of over 3,100 new schools becoming a part of the Music Workshop family. As of today, and with the addition of our Latin American and Caribbean music courses, we are now offering 21 courses to over 5,400 schools, educating over 2.1 million students in 50 states and 69 countries. When we hear from music teachers like Julie at Sisters Middle School in Oregon, who writes, "I have used your program for 5 years now. The courses have always been engaging for students. During distance learning, they have been an especially useful tool." And Shannon from St. John's in Maryland, "Your program is informative and interesting. Your videos are top-notch, interesting, and I love that they are multiracial and diverse. Thank you so much for making this freely available and for enriching my teaching." Hearing those comments and more, we know we're headed in the right direction.
Over the past several years, Music Workshop has opened my eyes to a wide range of genres, instruments, and musicians from all over the world. I've learned about the many ways music careers go far beyond an instrument or genre. I mean, look at me. I'm in the music business as a voiceover artist. I never in a million years would have expected that to happen. And now, Music Workshop is creating a cultural series, including the most recently completed courses on Latin music. It's an overwhelming feeling to see my culture proudly represented in schools. We want to make sure all students around the world can see themselves and have their culture reflected in their education. To see and hear diverse musical cultures explored and celebrated gives me and other students more exposure, understanding, and connection to the global world we're living in. There's so much more to share, learn, and explore. And that's why I'm here now asking you to contribute generously so that more students like me can discover and find inspiration through the power of music. Thank you for your support. Gracias por su apoyo.